Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be making run and walk buttons. So if you click the run button, you will start running. If you click the walk button, you'll start walking. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so what we're going to need to do first, we're going to need to insert in the starter GUI a screen GUI. We can make this screen GUI called walk speed GUI maybe, and then we can insert a frame in there. In the frame's position, let's go to the frame, and the position of the frame will be 1 minus 100, comma 1, and then minus 100 again. And then it should be in the corner right there. You can have the style of the frame to be maybe like drop shadow or something. And then into that we can insert a text button. And the text button size, we'll have to change the text button size to 1, 0, 0, 25. And it could be like that. There we go. We can have the background color to be a nice bright green. We can also have the text to be run. There we go, and make sure text is scaled. And we can name this text button run. After that, we can insert a script, a local script, and into this local script we can do script.parent dot mouse button 1 click connect. Into that we can put function. And then into that function we can put game dot players dot local player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed, and the walk speed will be equal to let's see, a good running walk speed. Let's try like maybe let's put 39.9. Yeah, 39.97. That one's good. So now we can duplicate the run by doing Control D, and we can name this one now walk. And the position of the walk button will be 0. Let's find the position. Will be 0, 0, 1, minus 25. So now that we have that, it should be right there. We can give this a good red color, and we can name it right here. We can say walk, and right here we can name it walk, which we already did. So now we have the local script of this. We can open that local script up, and instead of 39.97, we can put like 12.95. So now that we have that, if we click on play, let's see, if we click on play now, let me take this away. If we click on play, click on run, as you see, we're running. And if you click on walk, we're walking. Also, the normal walk speed is 16, but I just wanted to keep it low. And yeah, you can change the running speed to to any number. So in this, we can name this local script run script, and we can name this local script walk script, just to be organized. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you know when I upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comments for a new tutorial if you want me to make a new tutorial, and if you wanted a specific tutorial, you just have to go put it in the comments. And see you guys.